So in this video, you're going to learn how to enable the SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then under Settings, you're going to select Connections. In Connections, tap on SIM Manager, and then select More SIM Settings. From here, you should see the option SIM Card Security. Tap on it, and then tap on the toggle next to Lock SIM Card to enable it. Enter in the current SIM pin for your SIM card, and then tap on OK. And now your SIM card will be locked. So if your tablet ever goes through a restart, or you shut it down and then turn it back on, after you enter in your PIN, password, or pattern, you will be prompted to enter in your SIM pin just for security reasons. And so that's how you can successfully enable the SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.